I'm Charles Beeson with Anxiety Be Gone. We're going to stop your panic attack right now. When you're having a panic attack or during an extreme anxiety attack, you'll notice that your breathing becomes fast, shallow, and from the top of your chest. This often creates the feeling like it's difficult to breathe. When you consciously regulate your breathing, you can switch your mind from a state of fearful panic to a state of calmness within just a couple minutes. Breathing helps to regulate many of the natural rhythms of your body, including the heart rate. By breathing slowly and from the bottom of your chest, like a belly breath, you can re-engage the relaxation response through your parasympathetic nervous system and slow down a pounding heart. Here's how to do it. You will now breathe in slowly through your nose to a count of 5 and slowly exhale through your lips as you exhale to a count of 7. Do not gasp or let the air quickly in, but slowly in.
Let's begin. Exhale all the air out of your lungs. Now, in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3.
You are calm
4,
and relaxed.
5, and out. 2,
You easily
3,
manage your
4,
anxiety.
5, 6, 7. In.
You are confident.
2, 3, 4,
Your
5.
calm confidence
Out.
is stronger
2,
and stronger
3,
every day.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Your thoughts are
In.
positive thoughts of the
2,
future.
3, 4, 5.
You
and
accept
out.
your anxiety
2,
and use
3,
your techniques
4,
to easily
5,
manage it.
6, 7. In.
You like
2,
people,
3,
and people
4,
like you.
5. Out. 2,
You are safe
3,
and secure
4,
wherever
5,
you go.
6, 7. In.
You are protected and
3,
safe.
4, 5.
You are safe and
out.
secure driving and
3,
being driven.
4, 5, 6.
You are safe.
7. In. 2,
Your worries
3,
are less and
4,
less every day.
5. Out. 2,
You
3,
control your anxiety easily
5,
and
6,
effortlessly.
7. In. 2,
You know
3,
how to stop
4,
panic instantly.
5, and out. 2,
You are
3,
calm,
4,
relaxed,
5,
and confident.
6, 7. In. 2,
You are
3,
calm and
4,
confident in
5.
social situations.
Out. 2, 3, 4,
Imagine
5,
a situation
6,
you fear
7.
and
In.
feel the
2,
calmness.
3, 4, 5, and out. 2,
Negative thoughts
3,
bounce off
4,
of you and
5,
dissipate into
6,
the air.
7. In. 2, 3,
Imagine
4,
a place you fear
5. Out.
and feel
2,
the calmness.
3, 4, 5, 6.
You are
7.
a wonderful
In.
person.
2, 3,
You
4,
take risks
5,
with confidence.
and out. 2, 3,
Anytime
4,
you feel tense or
5,
nervous,
6.
you take a
7.
deep breath.
In. 2,
Exhale slowly
3, 4,
and instantly
5.
feel the
out.
calmness
2,
you are experiencing
3,
right now.
4, 5, 6.
Your
7.
inner confidence
In.
is emerging.
2, 3, 4,
You
5,
overcome your fear
and out.
and live
2,
life courageously.
3, 4, 5,
You
6.
solve problems
7.
with confidence.
In. 2, 3, 4,
You
5.
are social
Out.
and like
2,
meeting new people.
3, 4, 5, 6,
You
7.
are protected
In.
and safe.
2, 3,
You are
4,
safe and secure
5,
driving
and out.
and being driven.
2, 3, 4,
You are safe.
5, 6, 7.
Your
In.
worries are less
2,
and less every
3,
day.
4, 5.
You
Out.
control your
2,
anxiety
3,
easily and
4,
effortlessly.
5, 6, 7.
You
In.
know how to stop
2,
panic instantly.
3, 4, 5, and out.
You are calm,
2,
relaxed,
3,
and
4,
confident.
5, 6, 7.
You
In.
are calm and
2,
confident
3,
in social
4,
situations.
5. Out. 2, 3,
Imagine a situation you fear
5, 6,
and feel
7.
the calmness.
In. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Negative
and out.
thoughts bounce
2,
off of you
3,
and dissipate
4,
into the air.
5, 6, 7. In.
Imagine
2,
a place you
3,
fear
4,
and
5.
feel the calmness.
Out. 2, 3, 4,
You
5,
are a wonderful
6,
person.
7. In.
You
2,
take risks
3,
with
4,
confidence.
5, and out. 2,
Anytime you feel
3,
tense or nervous,
4,
you take
5,
a deep breath.
6, 7.
Exhale
In.
slowly
2,
and instantly
3,
Feel
4,
the calmness
5,
you are experiencing right now.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Your inner confidence
6,
is emerging.
7. In, 2,
You
3,
overcome your
4,
fear and
5,
live life
and out.
courageously.
2, 3, 4,
You solve problems
5,
with confidence.
6, 7. In, 2, 3,
You are social
4,
and
5,
like meeting new people.
out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
You
7.
are calm and
In,
relaxed.
2, 3,
You
4,
easily
5,
manage your anxiety.
and out, 2, 3, 4,
You are
5,
confident.
6, 7. In,
Your calm
2,
confidence
3,
is stronger
4,
and stronger
5,
every day.
out, 2, 3,
Your
4,
thoughts are positive
5,
thoughts of the
6,
future.
7. In, 2,
You accept
3,
your anxiety
4,
and use your
5,
techniques
and
to
out.
easily manage it.
2, 3, 4,
You
5,
like people
6,
and people
7.
like you.
In, 2, 3,
You
4,
are safe
5,
and secure
out,
wherever
2,
you go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Begin breathing normally and naturally. Take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhale. You're coming back into the room, awake, alert, totally mentally focused now.
We hope you benefited by our presentation. Please share your comments below and share this video with anyone you know that might benefit. Visit us at anxietybegone.com and download your free anxiety relief kit. It includes the guide to the top 10 techniques for fast anxiety and panic relief, as well as an MP3 recording called Deep Calmness.